Come on in here today and share with you just a couple things that I have been working on behind the scenes that I'm very, very excited about. So one of the things that I wanted to share is I know that for a lot of people, okay, I'm talking about me, sometimes it can be really frustrating to create content for social media for your business, put it out there, and you get total crickets. You get absolutely nothing. And you're like, come on, like, is this even worth it? Maybe you're dedicating a lot of time towards creating marketing assets, but every time you put it out there, you're like, why is this not getting any traction? One of the things that I remember for me was really crazy to see was that there was actually a really popular billionaire. And the funny thing is, he's popular in circles of successful people, but he's mostly prominent in kind of like the underground business marketing groups. And on Instagram, he would put these incredible, valuable, long form Instagram posts up, pouring his heart into it, incredible knowledge, and he'd get like less than 80 likes. And I would sit there and be like, this is the best content that I've seen on Instagram ever, yet he's getting almost no reach, almost no engagement, and I'm willing to bet that some of you guys feel the same way. I know for me on Instagram, sometimes on Facebook, I'm a little bit disappointed with the kind of reach or engagement we get, especially as the algorithm continues to change. And I know that you spend way too much time caring about your business, caring about the marketing that you put out there, the level of excellence that you put into everything, the amount of energy that it goes into being visible every single day. It's not fair when you see no results on Instagram or on Facebook, or very little results for the type of effort that you and your team are putting in. And so for me, one of the big things I wanted to do was really identify, where is there an open opportunity? Where is there a blue ocean? Now, Instagram and Facebook, as you know, have been around for a while. So obviously the early adopters have come and gone. And one of the big things that I've noticed is that there's definitely a lot of resistance with the new algorithm to start up now. If you already don't have the ball rolling, it's very difficult to get the ball rolling, especially on Instagram. And that seems like a lot of time to spend on something that isn't getting the reach or the engagement that you honestly are craving or desiring. Not to mention needle moving, hello, leads and sales. So I started to search for, where can we find traction? Where can we find organic reach still? Which is why I found TikTok, and I'm so impressed by this TikTok platform. So I'm just going to pull up my stats from this past week because I think this is worth taking a look at. Now, keep in mind, guys, that I now today have over 200,000 followers, and I really started growing my platform about 10 months ago. And I've been growing every single day, which is very, very exciting. But these stats are phenomenal. And the crazy part is there are other people who have way less than 200,000 followers on TikTok that are getting massive stats, videos that reach, 50,000 views, a couple 100,000 views, even millions of views. And that's powerful. It's that organic, beautiful blue ocean. So let's take a peek at these. Let me dim my brightness on my phone so you guys can see this okay. So these are my stats from this week. We've gotten 2,641,000 views on my videos just this week alone. We've had 87,000 profile views. But let's also take a look at the past 8 days, because I just think about, like, if I were to be paying even Facebook ad costs to try to get my product, my face, my brand in front of this many people, this would be really expensive. So let's take a peek real fast. Over the last 28 days, we have had 14,538,000 video views. Did you hear that, guys? Millions and millions and millions of views. But the crazy thing is, I'm not the youngest, the funniest, the best dancer on this platform. And in fact, some of my videos that go massively viral are not always the ones that are me dancing or showing tons of personality. And I'm going to completely reframe how you can use TikTok. And I want to share that with you guys because I know a lot of people are like, can I actually have success on this platform? Can I get millions of views without doing something that is a prank or a stunt or dancing? Is that a question you guys have had? Because I know a lot of people ask me this. Can I do anything without dancing? Can I do it without totally breaking down my brand standards? Yes, you absolutely can. And we're going to be diving into all of that on Thursday. I've got a live training, and that is how to grow and keywords monetize TikTok for business. No dancing necessary. So I want to invite you guys to all join me on Thursday. So I'll drop this here. There will be a replay available, but only for a limited time after that training. So go ahead and jump on in, grab your spot. I will see you guys this week. I'm super excited to share with you guys how we consistently get millions of views on our videos, and no dancing is not necessary. It's just a part of my personality. So I'll catch you all later. Bye, everyone.